stopped by where I had the tow truck drop it off. And yeah, these are the results. I got freaking smoked right dead in the face. Like, she literally just came straight at me full speed. And luckily this car is really safe. The door just kind of bends in and the driver stays pretty safe. And yeah, it's pretty jacked. This window, I mean, my window busted in my face. I'm telling you, I'm sitting at the doctor and I'm pulling out I'm pulling out glass out of my pocket. Like all these little shards right here. I'm just pulling them out of my pocket. It's glass all in the seats. Like, I literally got hit right in the face with all this glass. I didn't know how to shut off the hazards because the hazards just automatically came on. But I think they kind of just shut off on their own. So hopefully it's not dead. Let me actually try to get in. And yeah, I think my Tesla might be out of there. And I don't think glass all the way in the passenger, all down here. Dang, I just got some new floor mats. Those lasted pretty long. I just meant to grab some of my stuff out of here because obviously sad day. All right, I'm sitting here editing this video literally this second. This happened on February 10th and it is March. It's the end of March. I'm just now finishing this video. Life has been a blur since the accident. It's all over the place. I will try to make some updated videos on kind of what happened with insurance. Just terrible. But yeah, the Tesla, honestly, really good investment. I'm gonna hype up Tesla. They're not paying me for this, but this little Tesla USB caught the dash cam footage and it immediately saved it. The car got towed away. I went to go pick up this and it got the footage. It's crazy because like on that street, it's like I drive down that street every day. Like obviously she's trying to go into the neighborhood and I'm going straight. So when that car comes, when the truck goes by and I see her inching up, it's usually somebody's turning right, like they're going down the street. So it's like, it's not even a thing. And then she got like halfway and I was like, wait, she's gonna stop, right? Like she's gonna slam on the brake. Like there's no way. She sees me. I'm right there. Like there's no way. And then, so I start pressing on the brake and literally like, I don't know, man. I'm thinking she's about to stop, but she like sped up. It also doesn't help that she just got her license. So I think at that moment, she like panicked. Like you could almost hear it. I wish there was audio. You could hear her speed up. And I was like, whoa. So yeah, I don't know, man. I'm like, I drive by that street every day and I see people make that right turn. So when a car goes by and I see her inch out, it doesn't even trigger my brain. Like she could try to go across. Maybe I should stop. Like, I'm like, come on, bro. That's really bad. But obviously she got a ticket. Obviously, her insurance was at fault. They took fault immediately. Like they were trying to get me out of there. I don't know. So yeah, nice hitman attempt. I'm still here though. Yeah, I will try to make updates. Hit me up in the comments if you want to, I don't know if you want to hear about insurance. I don't know if you want to hear about what happened to the car. Car's totaled, by the way. It's gone. He's dead. Yeah. So, yeah. Just wanted to kind of throw this at the end of the video because I realized when I made this video back in February, I don't even know what I was saying. I wasn't even making sense really. So just wanted to kind of give a little end of the story, kinda. And yeah, so we got an update video. Subscribe because we got some crazy stuff coming now. Tesla, I don't know. We got some crazy stuff coming. more stuff on the Model Y here pretty soon. And yeah, so subscribe, like the video if you want to update or even more updates to what happened to my Model 3. And yeah, it was a fun ownership time.